2D and 3D CNC wire bending machine difficult to operate for new workers? TATE machines are equipped with user-friendly touchscreen interfaces. No programming experience is required. Input drawings, press start. With automatic feeding, cutting, and bending, one worker can handle multiple machines. Ideal for wire hangers, lampshade frames, fan guards, and wire baskets. We offer free remote training and quick support from our engineers. Cut training costs and improve output with TATE. Contact us now through the video for more details.